Today when I woke up in the morning, I was so deep in my thoughts, realizing being a broke student is not nice. Imagine now I have to pretend as if I'm smiling, but knowing very well ukuthi ngikwatile, ngibheka ama-fridge ngiyabona ukuthi kuseyazini empty, ngibheka ama-deep freeze ngiyabona ukuthi ayekuse-empty. Ngithi man, you know what, let me go and get water ngoba namanzi aphelile. Awukho nomfula la ngaya khona ngiyokha amanzi, kumele ngiyowathenga. I won't lie, this makes life even more difficult here in Potch mfethu, because manje, what do you mean we have to buy water? Ay, amanzi thina siwaziyo mfethu, ilawa mfethu. Ilawa mfethu, ngaphila ngawo mfethu 365 days. Ngithi man, yazi nathi ngithola amanzi, ngithola izinto ey'noshukela fast. I don't even have a car, ngiyawalka. Ey, impilo enzima, but a car is the last thing in my mind. Manje the word of the day, ey, mawunganamali ungajoli ngoba manje how will you maintain your girlfriend? Ey, mole kithore bafana baka, ngithi kuse bafana ba masambeni impilo. Kazi umuntu uzonona lawo sekuphelele. The next thing we came across this guy, he was like, hey guys, come over to get some free parcels. I was like, hey, free parcels. I was number one. Yabona lapha I am collecting as many free parcels as I can. Yabona mole kithore bafana baka. Awuyazi sibambisene uthando lunye bafethu. Awu kushawa nama dance nyana lapha mfethu. Hayi, we are happy, free parcels all the way bafethu. At this point I was realizing ukuthi no man, being a broke student is not even that bad, man. I mean, look at this mfethu. You know when God is on your side, you survive this life thing. You don't even have to be under pressure to impress your ex, man. No, man. I was cutting papers. I don't know what was happening here. Hey, the prayer pressure. I mean, paste my paper, my bonding around. Hey, nah. But let me just eat some 2 minutes noodles and just do my schoolwork. You know, I had a quiz that I had to write. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one. Danko.